To fix the voice input missing on Samsung keyboard, start by checking if the voice input feature is enabled on your device. Go to the Settings app, then select Language and Input, and look for the Samsung keyboard. Ensure that the voice input option is turned on and the microphone icon is visible on the keyboard. If the voice input option is already enabled, try restarting your device to see if it resolves the issue. Sometimes, a simple reboot can fix minor glitches and restore the voice input feature. Next, check for any updates for the Samsung keyboard app. Open the Galaxy Store, search for the Samsung keyboard app, and check if there are any available updates. Installing the latest update may resolve the issue. If the problem persists, try resetting the Samsung keyboard settings to their default values. Go to the Settings app, then select Language and Input, and choose the Samsung keyboard. Look for the Reset option and select it to restore the default settings. Additionally, ensure that the microphone is not blocked or disabled on your device. Check the microphone permissions for the Samsung keyboard app and ensure that it has access to the microphone. You can do this by going to the Settings app, then selecting Apps, and choosing the Samsung keyboard app. Look for the Permissions option and ensure that the microphone permission is enabled. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Samsung keyboard app. This will remove any corrupted files or settings that may be causing the problem. To do this, go to the Galaxy Store, search for the Samsung keyboard app, and select the Uninstall option. Then, reinstall the app and check if the voice input feature is working properly. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the voice input missing on Samsung keyboard and restore the feature to its normal functioning state. Remember to always check for updates and ensure that the microphone is not blocked or disabled to prevent similar issues in the future.